With the rise of identity theft and cybercrime, you and your family's personal details, assets, and identity are at risk. Your valuable information is continually collected, sold, and exposed to the general public, jeopardizing privacy and security. Removing your information from all those people finder sites is painstaking and annoying. It's like the worst game of whack-a-mole ever. Even if you're vigilant and privacy conscious, your personal details can sometimes show up on sites like 411, white pages, been verified, and more. What if you could just decide not to play that game and let an expert take care of all of that for you? That's why we developed TraceX. There are other services that will help you remove your personal info, but they only deal with a handful of the most common sites and only once every 3 months at best. TraceX is a long-term commitment to stronger privacy and anonymity. We remove your info from well over 100 sites each and every month. TraceX finds and eliminates your personal details without a trace, so others can't get to them and put your privacy in danger. If you are looking for a comprehensive long-term solution for increased privacy and anonymity, sign up today at tracex.com.